Let's dive in. Imagine you're on a team about to launch a groundbreaking new product. Before mass production, you need to guarantee flawless quality from the start. Enter your secret weapon, the pre-launch control plan. Think of it as your dress rehearsal, catching issues before they become disasters. This isn't just paperwork, it's your blueprint for quality, ensuring what you designed is what gets built. The pre-launch control plan is a detailed checklist guiding the factory during the first trial runs. It tells everyone what to check, how to check it, and what to do if something's off. It's your proactive strategy to build quality in from the very first part. Mastering this plan means you're not just following rules, you're preventing costly mistakes and ensuring customer satisfaction. Forget last-minute panics. This plan keeps you ahead of the game. It's the bridge between a cool idea and a reliable product people love. In the next sections, we'll break down every part of this plan, what it does, when to use it, and how it fits into your engineering journey. We'll make it simple, so you'll be ready to create your first pre-launch control plan with confidence. Grab your safety glasses. Let's go behind the scenes and see how great products are born. Let's get started. What's the real purpose of a pre-launch control plan? Simple. Control the process during the first limited production runs. This is the validation phase, proving your process works before full-scale production. The plan acts as guardrails, focusing everyone on the most critical features that must be perfect. During this phase, you check every part for key features, not just a sample. It's a short, intense period to gather data and learn fast. The pre-launch control plan is temporary. Its job is to get you through the trial period to the production part approval process, or PPAP. Once your customer signs off on PPAP, you switch to the regular production control plan. Think of the pre-launch plan as scaffolding extra support while you prove your process, then it comes down. The goal? Reduce risk and catch problems early when they're easy to fix. Imagine finding a critical error after making thousands of parts. Disaster. This plan helps you catch it on part 5, not part 5,000. If you find an issue, you pause, fix it, and move forward with confidence. The pre-launch control plan is your scientific method for turning a new process into a reliable manufacturing machine. It's all about building a safety net and learning quickly. With this plan, you're not just making parts. You're building trust and quality from day one. That's how you launch flawlessly. Let's see where this fits in the bigger picture. So, when do you use the pre-launch control plan? Timing is everything. It comes into play during Phase 4 of Advanced Product Quality Planning, or APQP, Product and Process Validation. This is after design and process development, when you're ready to test everything with real tools and equipment. The plan governs the very first trial runs using production intent tooling. It's active from your first trial run until you get full PPAP approval from the customer. Once approved, the pre-launch plan retires, and you switch to the long-term production control plan. The production plan has less frequent checks because you've already proven your process is stable. In short, design the part, build the tools, run a small batch, and use the pre-launch control plan to guide you. Collect data, prove your process, and prepare your PPAP package. Once PPAP is approved, celebrate and transition to the production plan. Getting this timing right is crucial for a smooth launch. The pre-launch control plan is your guide through this critical phase. Use it wisely, and you'll set the stage for success. Now, let's look at what actually happens during these trial runs. During trial runs, you build a small pilot lot, maybe 30 to 300 parts. The goal isn't inventory, it's to prove your process is stable and capable. Every part is valuable data, carefully tracked and labeled. Focus is on key product characteristics, features that impact safety, fit, or function. The plan demands high-frequency checks, sometimes 100% inspection of critical features. Measurements use a mix of manual tools like calipers and automated systems like CMMs or 3D scanners. The plan specifies exactly which tool to use for each check, ensuring consistency. If a measurement is out of spec, the reaction plan kicks in. The operator quarantines the part, notifies the team, and stops the machine if needed. This immediate response prevents more bad parts and starts problem-solving right away. The reaction plan is your safety net. No guessing, just action. This process ensures issues are caught and fixed before they escalate. That's how you turn trial runs into learning opportunities. The pre-launch control plan is a team effort, with the customer playing a key role. Customers often review and approve your plan before trial runs begin, ensuring their priorities are covered. This collaboration builds trust and alignment from the start. The plan is closely linked to your process failure mode and effects analysis, or PFMEA. PFMEA identifies risks. The control plan puts those controls into action. For example, if PFMEA flags a weak weld, your plan includes a specific test to check it. All measurement data is logged, sometimes in Excel, sometimes in a quality database or MES. Accurate, organized data is essential for traceability and PPAP approval. Final sign-off comes from a cross-functional team: quality, manufacturing, design, production, and often the customer. Everyone's signature means everyone agrees this is the right plan for a successful launch. The pre-launch control plan is the ultimate symbol of teamwork and shared responsibility. It's how you turn risk analysis into real-world quality. Now let's see how this works in practice. Picture this. Your company is launching a new electric car bumper. The injection molding tool arrives and it's time for the first trial run. As quality engineer, you create the pre-launch control plan. You list critical features: mounting clip locations, overall length, surface finish. The pilot lot is 100 bumpers. For the first 10, every critical dimension is checked 100%. CMMs measure clip locations. Inspectors check surfaces under special lights. On bumper 8, a clip location is out of tolerance. The operator follows the reaction plan tag, quarantine, notify, and pause production. You and the process engineer find a sensor setting issue, fix it, and rerun 2 bumpers. Now perfect. You document the problem and solution, then continue the run. For the remaining bumpers, you scale back CMM checks, but keep 100% visual inspection. At the end, you have good parts, solid data, and proof your process is stable. This info completes your PPAP package for customer approval. That's the pre-launch control plan in action, catching issues early and ensuring a flawless launch. Let's recap. The pre-launch control plan is your detailed guide for the first trial runs of a new product. It's a temporary high-intensity plan in Phase 4 of APQP, right before PPAP approval. Its purpose: validate your process and tooling, ensuring every part meets requirements before mass production. The plan focuses on key characteristics, demands frequent checks, and uses both manual and automated tools. The reaction plan ensures immediate action if problems arise. It's a team effort, with customer involvement and cross-functional sign-off. The plan is linked to your PFMEA, turning risk analysis into real controls. All data is logged to support your PPAP submission. Our bumper example showed how it works, catching errors early and preventing big headaches. Mastering this plan puts you at the heart of quality and new product success. Now go build something amazing.